Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar and salad bar. I'm gonna make a nice lovely salad. I got some mixed leaf, cucumber, apple, spring onion, fresh thyme, cherry tomato, and some pear, and some yeah, I name it as we go through, guys. You know, we're gonna add some more stuff to it and make you guys like this one. Nice one. So first thing, need to get my knife. Lovely. All right. So this is the mixed leaf right here. And get some apple, and I'm going to put a medium-sized apple inside of it. I love apple in my salad. Alright, so as you can see, that's the apple which we are putting inside of it. Lovely and nice. So basically I'm going to put a pear also inside of it. If you never have fruits with salad, guys, honestly, you need to try this one. Now we're going to put some cucumber. Got some fresh thyme. That's the fresh thyme inside of it. Lovely. We got some spring onion. Beautiful. And now we'll have some cherry tomato, which we're going to put inside of it. And that's gonna bring in a lovely color. Now we have some radish, which I'm going to be using inside of it. So basically radish definitely going to bring in a lovely flavor, because I love radish and there's a lot of benefit in radish, guys, honestly. And these radish is just some leftover, but I tell you, leftover stuff, wow, it's the best. Add a few more slices of cucumber. Look at that, that is fantastic. And let's give it a lovely mix up like this. Alright, like everything that's working through it. It is a lovely salad. Alright, the secret with this salad, alright, this is going to be the secret. Especially if you're doing like a healthy salad like this, guys. It's just nice for you to put roughly about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a little bit more inside of it, just crack a little bit of pepper. And a little bit of dry chili. Honestly. So basically, if you and also can put a little bit of, you know what I mean, parsley. This is some just dry parsley, dry herbs on top of it, you know what I mean. So if you're at home and you know what I mean, and you want to bring something with you, this is a lovely simple little salad which you guys can bring with you to have, honestly, and it's just fantastic and an amazing. Alright, what we're going to do, share this beautiful salad. Alright guys, as you can see it for yourself. This is not like something Chef Ricardo does a makeup on and I say, okay, the fans, I'm definitely gonna love this. No, this is what me do all the time for myself. Love it. So all the nice little salad like this, you know? Yeah, this can go with any little thing we have at home where you're gonna eat with. And not only that, you can add a lot more ingredients to it. If you have some, I love celery. So if you have a celery, nice to put a little bit of celery inside of it, bring up the flavor, you know? Beautiful, simple and easy. And this is just a little bit of mixed leaf I have left over with a few ingredients. But look at the salad, it's come out so amazing and lovely. What do you think? Leave your comments in the description box, as you can see for yourself. That's a simple salad Chef Ricardo just made. Enjoy it. Definitely we will come back with some more recipe like this and more ideas. It's fantastic guys, and as you can see it for yourself, this is even a proper healthy weight loss salad at home. So stay tuned, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned and I will see you next time.